My name is Sophia Newton. I'm a Ghanaian home chef. Food is very important in Ghanaian culture because food is what we use to entertain visitors and bring people together. My mom inspired my passion for cooking. She loves to cook and she was a great cook. The prominent ingredients in Ghanaian food are onion, habanero, and tomatoes. When I moved to America, there were so many ingredients that I couldn't find, so I have to improvise to make it more authentic. And I will advise anyone who wants to have their cultural food to look for where they can find their cultural ingredients to make their food more authentic. You will enjoy it and love our food and learn our culture.